Namaste dear students, welcome to 10th standard maths. We were dealing with the chapter arithmetic progression, and in arithmetic progression we have done with exercise 1.1, and in exercise 1.2 we had solved the first question was finding the missing terms in the tabular column. We have completed this by applying the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1. So out of the four quantities here, three are given and the fourth one need to be found. So here minus 18, so here a is given, d is missing, so we have to insert this and we have solved all the problems, and the notes will be sent for this also, and the assignment also was given on this. Okay, so next the second question we will move is, so this is your maths what is a textbook part 1 for 10th standard. So in page 14 we have this arithmetic progression. In exercise 1.2 the second question. So let us deal with the second question. So what is the question? Choose the correct choice in the following and justify. Okay, so they have given, the question says 30th term of the AP. They have given the AP here 10, 7, 4, so on. This is the AP given. The 30th term of the AP we need to check, verify and find. They have given the four options. Option A is 97, B is 77, C is minus 77 and D is minus 87. Okay, this is the options they have given. So we need to check whether out of the four options which is correct. For that we need to solve. Okay, and similarly they have given the second question where four options are given. 11th term they have given. Okay, let us verify with the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d and see which is the correct option. So let us solve now here. So in exercise 1.2 the second question, in the second question we have the sub question 1. So we are finding the solution for this. So solution, you need to write the side heading, children. Between the question and the answer there should be a side heading solution. Many of you have not written in your classwork. Please do the correction here. Side heading should be solution. Okay, so what they have given us, given AP, what is the AP given? 10, 7, 4. This is the AP given 10, 7, 4 and so on. Therefore what is A here? Here A is 10 and D is A1, A2, A3. So A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 10, 7 minus 10, that is minus 3. We'll check for the other one also, that is 4 minus 7, that is minus 3. Therefore D is equal to minus 3. And what is n? What is n? They told we need to find the 30th term. So we have n is equal to, here we have n is equal to 30. Okay, so we know A, we know D, we know n. So we have to apply it in the formula. We need to find the 30th term, that is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So here we have A is 10, n is 30 minus 1 and D is minus 3. Okay, so now here we have is equal to 10 plus 29 into minus 3. 29 into minus 3. So what you have 29 into minus 3 here? So this is equal to 10. You have 3 9s are 27. So minus will come plus into minus, minus will come the sign here. 27 to 3 2s are 6, 1 87. You will get the answer 87 here. Then when you subtract, solve this, 10 minus 87 is equal to minus 77. Minus 77. So which is the option? What is the answer we got? So 77 we got. So which option is correct? C option is correct. C option is correct. Minus 77 is the correct option. Okay, you need to write the question and tick the correct option. Next, let us move to the next question, that is the second question. What does the question says? 11th term of the AP, 11th term, A11, 11th term of the AP is, what is the AP? Arithmetic progression is minus 3, minus 1 by 2, 2 and so on. They have given 4 options. Out of these 4 options, 1 is the 11th term of this AP. So let us solve and find out which option is correct. Okay. So here what is the AP given? So let us write the side heading. Let us write the side heading here. Solution. This is the solution for our second question. And what is the AP there? What is the AP given? Here AP is, let us write here, AP is, what is there in the question? Minus 3, minus 1 by 2. Let me write there. Minus 3, minus 1 by 2, comma, 2, 2 and so on. So what is the first term? A. First term is A. So the first term A is equal to minus 3. And what is D? D is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3. So you need to calculate here. So this is minus 1 by 2. So minus into minus, it became plus 3. And we have to find the common denominator, that is 2. So 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are minus 1 plus 1 2s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So you have 5 by 2. You have D as 5 by 2. Can you see? Yes, your D. Here your D is 5 by 2. And what is N? N is 11. N is 11. So what is the answer? What is the 11th term? Let us find out. A11 is equal to, let us write the formula. A11 is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. So A is, our A is minus 3 plus 11 minus 1. So N is 11, right? N is 11. So 11 minus 1 into our D is, what is our D? 5 by 2 into 5 by 2. So what is the further answer? Minus 3. And here you have, this is 10 into minus 5, 10 into 5 by 2, not minus. This is 10 into 5 by 2. So you have 2 ones are 2 5s are. So what you have further, next step is minus 3 plus 25. So minus 3 plus 25 is the answer 22. So your 11th term is 22. Okay. So 11th term what we got? 22. And which is the option in the question? Here B option. B option is 22. So like this we need to calculate the second one. Okay. Good. I hope you understood. I hope you understood the children. Now let us see the what is the third question in this exercise. Remember we are dealing exercise 1.2 of our chapter arithmetic progression. Okay, in page 14. This is your textbook. So third one is they have given the missing terms. Let me solve you some 3 or 2. For 3 to 4 I will solve, and further one you can do it. This is very easy to do. You should know how to solve it. Okay. See here, in the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Find the missing terms. So you can see these are APs. They have given APs. Okay. First you should learn to identify the terms. First learn to identify the terms. Here see in the first question A is given, A plus D is missing, A plus 2D is there. So A is given, A plus D is missing, A plus 2D is there. In the second question, A is missing, A plus D given, A plus 2D missing, A plus 3D is there. In the third question, A is given, A plus D is missing, A plus 2D is missing, A plus 3D is given. Here in the fourth question, A is given, A plus D missing, A plus 2D is missing, A plus 3D is missing, A plus 4D is missing, A plus 5D is given. This is A plus 5D is equal to 6. So now let us move to the third question. In the following APs, find the missing terms in the boxes. Okay, we need to find the missing term here. Which term is missing? Here we know A plus D is missing. A plus D is missing. We need to find A plus D. Okay, we need to find this A plus D. So let us solve now. What is given? Let us write. So what is given in the solution? A is 2. What is the position of this 26? A plus D, A plus 2D. So here A plus 2D is equal to 26. A plus 2D is equal to 26. So in place of A, write 2. So here you write 2 plus 2D is equal to 26. So what you have, 2D will be 26 minus 2, that is equal to 24. Therefore your D is equal to 24 by 2, that is equal to 12. So you got D is equal to 12. So what is the position of this missing box? It is A plus D. So therefore A plus D, therefore A plus D is equal to A is 2 and D is 12. So you got 14. This is the missing term. So what you got here in the box? Here in the box you got 14. 14 you got. So the missing term was 14. Okay. So now let us see what is the second question. Okay, we are solving the third question. In that sub question is second, 3 2. So this is your question number 3. In that second question we are solving. So what are the missing terms in this AP? A is missing, this is A plus D, this is A plus 2D is missing, this is A plus 3D. So how to solve in such cases? We have to write down what is given. So here what is given? A plus D is equal to 13 is given. One equation we got. Then A plus 3D is equal to 3 we got. Okay. So A plus 3D is equal to 3. Equation 1 and equation 2. So then we have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. So first let us write the equation. What is given here? Here what is given? A plus D is equal to 13 given. Let us write it as equation 1. Okay. Then A plus 2D is missing, A plus 3D is given. So write A plus 3D is equal to 3. This is our equation 2. Now what you have to do? Subtract equation 1 from equation 2, because here you have 3D minus D you have to do. So subtract equation 1 from 2, equation 2. So what you will have at here, the equation will be A plus 3D is equal to 3. What is the first equation here? A plus D, okay, is equal to 13. Okay. Now for subtraction we need to change the sign here. Change the sign. Here also change the sign. Here also change the sign. So here A plus A minus A get cancelled. And here you have 3D minus D, you will have the answer 2D. 2D will have the answer. Then here you have 3 minus 13, that is minus 10 will be the answer. Minus 10 will be there. So what does this imply further? D is equal to minus 10 by 2. So you have 1s, 5s, and you have minus 5 as the common difference. You got a minus 5 as the common difference. Okay, what to be calculated? You need to calculate A and you need to calculate A plus 2D now. So what is A? So here you can take in equation 1. In equation 1 put what? D is equal to minus 5 in equation 1. In equation 1 if you put, what you are going to get? A plus D is 13 is the equation 1. We don't know what is A. We need to find, keep it as it is. And we know minus 5, that is equal to 13. So what you have? Now A plus D is there. Okay, so you can calculate further. So what you got? Keep A here. This is 13. Minus 5, when it goes on the right side it becomes plus 5. So you have 18. So what is here? A is 18. So one missing term you got, that is first term is 18, you got the answer. Don't write it again now. Here only you can write it. Okay. Now which missing term you need to find? A plus D is there. A plus 2D should be found. Okay. A plus 2D. So the missing term is A plus 2D. A is 18 plus 2 into minus 5. 2 into minus 5. So what you have? You have 18 minus 10, that is equal to 8. Okay, so your third missing term was 8. Third missing term was 8. Okay, like this we need to calculate. Which terms we know? In terms of the position of the terms, like a plus d, a plus 2d, like that you have to make the equations and you have to simplify and you have to find the a and d. A and d should be found, then you can find the other one. Now let us see what is the third question and what are the missing terms here. So in this AP we have a is equal to, here what is given here, a is equal to 5, a is equal to 5. Let us write this as equation 1, and this is a plus d, a plus 2d, and this is a plus 3d, and we have a plus 3d is equal to 9 1 by 2. So 9 by 1 by 2, so 9 2s are 18 plus 1 19, so write it as 19 by 2. Okay, you have, this is equation 2. So subtract equation 1 from 2. Equation 1 from 2. So what you have now? Subtract equation 1 from 2. So write it as a plus 3d is equal to 19 by 2. So this is a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. So what you have? Change the sign. This is change the sign. This will cancel. So what you are left with? You are left with 3d is equal to 19 by 2 minus 5. So 3d is equal to, take the common denominator 2. So you have 19 minus 1 2 is 2, 2 into 5 10. So you have 9 by 2. 9 by 2. So 3d is equal to 9 by 2. So what is d is equal to? Therefore d is equal to 9 by 2 into 3. So 3 1s are 3 3s are. So d you have 3 by 2. Okay. So what you have now? D is equal to 3 by 2 and a is equal to minus 5. So with this we can calculate the remaining a plus d and a plus 2d terms. So a plus d will be, so second one is a plus d missing terms. What to be found now? Therefore what is to be found? A plus d to be found. A plus d, and a is 5 plus 3 by 2. So that is, you have 2 common, 1 2 is 2, so therefore 10 plus 3. So you have so 13 by 2 you have, 13 by 2 you got it. Okay, so when you add, you got 13 by 2, and that is equal to, when you got it as 13 by 2, and when you write it is in a mixed equation, 2 6 are 12, 6 1 by 2 you got as the second term, 6 1 by 2. Okay, next coming is, what you need to calculate? You need to calculate a plus d. A plus d over a plus 2d you need to calculate now. So therefore a plus 2d is equal to, a is 5 plus 2 into d is 3 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled here. So what it is left with? A plus 3, and that is equal to 8. So what you got here? A plus d was 6 1 by 2. Here you got 6 1 by 2, and this term you got as 8. So like this we need to calculate. Similarly further questions also, fourth and fifth questions also should be solved like that only. You have a is equal to minus 4, and what is 6? A plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, a plus 4d, a plus 5d. You have two equations. A is equal to minus 4 and a plus 5d is equal to 6. Simplify that and find the d and find the remaining terms. Similarly here you have a plus d, you have a missing, a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, 4d and 5d you have. Simplify that. So like that, similarly in the same method you need to calculate. So do calculate and practice well and make it perfect. So thank you children.